a lot cheaper now for you.
I have a sister who's getting on a plane this afternoon for London.
There you go. She's going to have a good time, and she'll be fine. But for people in the UK, basically we've seen the currency devalued. It's almost on parity now with the US dollar. We've dropped about 20% of its value against the US dollar this year alone. The Bank of England had to step in because the fear was that massive pension funds were on the brink of collapse. So were flying around and being traded and offloaded. People were basically getting out of sterling, getting rid of the pound, and the markets were really, really spooked. Liz Truss, we've not seen her, we've not heard from her, there's been no news conferences. There was a really ill-timed tweet the other night congratulating Giorgia Meloni, the far-right leader who looks to be Italy's. I mean, we've seen no leadership here whatsoever. One joke I heard today as I was in central London, someone said to me, you know, today. I said, really? And they said, yeah, he's promised to send as much help as he can. That's how bad it is.
Jeez. Oh my gosh. A lot of volatility there. And with the Bank of England trying to help out there. Thanks very much, Enda Brady, media consultant in. Well, the market's rallying on this Bank of England move. We'll get that from Jason Brooks.
That has had a big impact on the stock market, Holly. The stronger rising interest rates have really impacted stocks of late, but the dollar falling today against the British pound. And also a big pullback in U.S. Treasury yields after topping 4% for the first time since 2008. The 10-year Treasury is now down at 3.7%. That's key because mortgage rates tend to follow along with the 10-year note. Dow's up 506, NASDAQ gaining 219, S&P up by 73. A future indicator for the housing market continues to drop, pending home decline, while the pace of sales was down more than 24% from a year earlier. The National Association of Realtors is forecasting a 15% decline in existing home sales in 2022, with new home sales plunging by 21%. New home sales in August rose nearly 29% for the month before, but were still down almost 30% from the year-ago pace. Brooks, KCBS.
Money Watch sponsored by Shane Company.
As a Shane Company jewelry consultant, I always enjoy telling our customers about our jewelry and how. And right now, pearls are more popular than ever. Pearl strands, drop earrings, pearl rings, worn stacked and layered, everyone's wearing them. Did you know that a pearl takes 2 to 3 years to form inside a mollusk? It takes on the color of the nacre,